Alright, island hopping today in Alona Beach.
What about the keys?
Let's just put it in the reception. We need to go to the beach at 6 a.m. because of the dolphins. And then there's 2 islands, I think.
2, I think it's
Yeah, Virgin Island and something else.
like a virgin.
And we are on the boat. All right, let's film this local school on Virgin Island. Looks like a high quality school, as in building quality and everything, and how clean it looks compared to some of the schools we've seen along the way. I think so. Hello. Hi. On the other side, looks like if you want to go out snorkeling, you need to take a boat. You can't just jump in and swim. That's what I think the guy yesterday meant by all the additional fees, yeah. But we're gonna try and find a spot where to go swimming. Yeah, it's about 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer, this island. If you go straight through the middle. So this is actually the Virgin Islands. I think I said in the video the other island was Virgin Islands. Would you look at that?
Very nice. Very much.
It's like a party island here. Everyone parks. If there was music.
It's actually a bar. Look, you can get juices and everything. Do you want juice?
Yeah, of course. Ah, damn it. Well, it's there. Let's see what they cook up here. Sea cucumber? This one?
Sea cucumber. Come on, sure,
Crazy.
Sir, your payment. Crazy. Sir? Oh, this is whole look inside, huh?
Ah, inside. I mean inside.
Sea urchin.
Open first.
Cool. Prawns. King prawns. Cucumbers are alive still.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's check out the boat. That's also just the table.
Yeah.
Just casually chopping away in the middle of the ocean.
Casually cooking at home.
Home cooking, yeah, at its finest.
She would go, how do you call it, viral when she's doing a cooking channel on YouTube, like.
Underwater cooking. I wonder how sea urchin tastes. I would try it if it wasn't for some unknown stomach virus attacking us. Alright, so this is Virgin Island, next to Bohol. And we are logging off.